Yes, I can see.
Okay. Yeah, so I am logged into the machine as a root.
Okay.
Oh,
Cat EDC password. Deepak. Deepak is a Deepak.
mm.
Okay.
Last 5, no? Yeah. So add user, huh?
User ad. User ad. Yes. Enter. Enter. Create a new user, update default new user information. Information.
Base directory, comment, the default value, GID, group, capital G is for group.
Group ID.
Yeah. -M, no create home. Do not create the user home directory, even if the system wide setting. Oh. But then this user, whatever, without home directory, yeah?
It doesn't require. Everyone doesn't require home directory. Only special people will have home directory.
The system account, root, prefix, cell, UID, user group, changing the default value.
Okay, we just add that. Come on, please. Q. Yes. User ad. User 1. Enter. Password. User 1. Default. That's it. Now you can check it out. Tail -1 etc password. Let's try.
So home directory is created, na?
Yeah, it's created because we didn't specify anything. By default, it will be creating. Like you just need to say that -M capital M like that. There you go. Tail -1 etc shadow. Tail -1 etc shadow. Shadow contains the passwords.
Password. This part is the password, huh?
Yeah, entire thing, entire.
Okay.
2 lines, yes. All encrypted. You cannot see the password at all.
Yeah.
So this is about creating a user. And if you like to check it whether you can able to log in, so -L user 1. Space user 1. Enter. Logged in. Now you can see the prompt it is saying that user was not Rocky.
Yeah.
LSL.
What is that?
LS-L. The thing is home directory is created, but there is no directories inside. Subdirectories are not.
ls minus altr in hidden file. Yes. Profiles.
File, leave it. That is not required.
Yeah.
Exit. Okay. Create another user, please. Let's see.
User add user 2. Sorry.
Okay. Tail -2. etc password. 2 is 1 and 2.
Okay.
So it is created. So this is how you will be creating the users.
Yeah.
We tried out checking by logging in from here itself, like a -L, or you can just go out, log out, and log in again, and you can do everything is possible. In the GUI, you can log in and see possible. Or you can do one thing, yeah, duplicate session you can take, user 1 and password. Yes, now you're logged in. Who am I? Who am I? User 1. ID. User ID is 1001. Group ID is 1001. All that.
User 2.
Okay.
Correct.
So the users creation done, verified, they are able to log into the system. That's nice. Now we will create the group now. Okay.
Yeah.
Group add.
mgrup.
ADD. Now it will show.
Force. JID. Recognition. We can assign. -R. Create a system group.
Yeah.
Directory.
We'll do user group only. The system group is required. User group will do.
Yeah. So
Group add. Group 1. Group add group 2.
Yes.
Tail minus 2 etc group. Tail minus 2 etc group. Group there 1 and 2 is there.
Yeah.
So now what we are going to do, we are going to pull this user into this group because users has to be inside the group actually, so that the rights and permission can be given so easily.
Yes.
So for that, we will have to do that. When we are creating a user, he will be part of his own group always.
Yes.
But we are going to add in something like extra. That's like appending another group to him like that. So like HR group, finance group, sales group, support group, IT group, like that. So many groups are there. We are just having a generic name like group 1, group 2, user 1, user 2. Like say user mode, user MOD.
Modify.
Space. Minus A. No space again. Capital G. Minus A, capital G. No space in after the A and G. Minus AG. Space. Group name, it's a group 1. Then the username, user 1. Enter. A to append, G for a group name. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Now I can type ID, user 1. It's showing. He's part of the group 1 also. Got it? Minus A for appending, G for group. That's it. User mode. User modify.
Yes.
Try putting the group 2 for user 2. Like ID user 2. Got it?
Yes.
You can check the same thing in the tail minus F. Sorry, tail minus 2 etc group. Enter. Showing user 1 is in group 1, user 2 is in group 2.
Correct.
Same you can check it in password also. Tail minus 2 etc password. Enter. It's a It's not there. Okay, it'll show in a group only. etc password contain the accounts names. etc shadow contains the passwords of the user.
Yeah. And group has the group. This one.
Shadow doesn't show anything. It's actually waste.
No, user 1, user 2.
But passwords will be there, but we can't read it. TC group, enter. It's a
Deepak user has a group ID 1000 and user 1, user 2, user 3, user
1, 2, 3, 4 like that goes.
Yeah.
So do one thing, take the logs first at least. Copy all to clipboard because it may go beyond the lines. That's nice. Okay, we created a user, we created a group, and we pull the user to the groups. Now we need to work out with the permissions. Permissions means it's rights over the file, rights over the directory, writes over the group, writes over the ownership, who's the owner, who's what, like that. Yeah. So you can log in as a normal user. One more can do that. Duplicate sessions. User one. Okay. Now to LSL. ls-l pwd. It's his own home directory. Okay, so he can create anything he wants inside.
Yes.
So just do touch file one. Enter. ls-l. File one permissions are like this. The first hyphen, the RW before that, there is a first hyphen is showing, no?
Yes.
That is showing that this is a file.
Okay.
The next RW, then hyphen is there, then R hyphen hyphen, then R hyphen hyphen. You see that there are nine elements will be there. That RW hyphen, R hyphen hyphen, R hyphen hyphen is there. Got it?
Yes.
First line you just leave it. First hyphen it's going to be whether it is a file or directory.
Directory.
Now we create one directory mkdir1 space dir space dir1 LSL. So first letter D shows that it is a directory. That's it. Simple.
Yeah.
Then RWX, RX, under it's showing. Leave it. Let's first talk about the file. Hyphen is a file.
Yeah.
Then RWX, there are three type of writes are there. One is a read, another one is a write, another one is execute. Three basic rights, permissions over a file or directory for anyone. So first three RWX which is showing that is nothing but the owner. Owner means who has created the file.
So user one.
User one is the owner for this. Directory one to file one. The next set is there. No, there are three sets of there. RWX.
Yeah.
R hyphen hyphen, then R hyphen hyphen. The second set of R hyphen hyphen belongs to the group where the user one is staying in.
So user one is a part of group one.
User one.
Okay.
User one is part of user one now.
Mm-hmm.
Additionally, group one we added that.
Okay.
So what the group user one guy groups, what they can do on this file, they can only read.
Okay.
Write means like modifying. W.
W is yeah.
Read means it's only readable. Read only. Write means modifying. X means execution. Execute. Execute a file.
Yes.
Execute in the sense it should be a script file or a bin file or an exe file. That files can be only executed. This is not like a police executing encountering. Yeah. Now this is actually like you want to run that file. Running the file in the sense what, like it should be a program we are going to run it, that file, or is it going to be kind of an ISO or some other things like that? It's just say binary files like .bin files, or they are going to be executable in the sense.
Okay.
That we require X write.
Expression.
Okay, so first set is owner, RW hyphen is a owner. Second set is R hyphen hyphen means group belongs to the user one.
First owner, group, only, and then others, correct?
Others, yes. The last three is others. Others means other than user one and other than user one belongs to the group or something. The other group people, what rights they have only R. Read.
Yeah.
In a file. Yeah. In a file created by user one, like that.
Yeah.
So first three set is for owner. Second set, three things. That is for a group. Third three, that is for others. Got it. So now you can tell me that others, what they got the right over the file. It's only read.
It's
right?
only read, correct.
Then the group has got only read.
Yeah.
Only the owner has got read and write.
Read and write.
If anybody captures this file, if they can able to see this file in the sense, they cannot modify at all, even if they are part of the group of user one.
Yes.
But they can only read. They can see what is it. But they cannot able to modify anything on. But only owner can modify that. That's why he's got a W rights. It's a default permission given by system whenever the user is creating a file.
So Unix is very simple in that way.
Very
It's
simple.
It's managed with this only. Whereas Windows may you have so many rights.
Yeah, that is it's a bit different. It is a bit different. It is sharing another thing will come.
Yeah.
We can change them. We can change the model. We can change the permissions. Either user can change or root can change. Possible.
Okay.
And see the directory permissions. There is some difference in the directory permission. In the directory permission, it's saying it is a DD as a directory. Okay. Owner has got full rights, RWX.
Yes.
And others and group has got RX. No right.
Yeah.
No write permission is given. Means they cannot create any files inside, or they cannot delete, modify something. Nothing is possible.
Yes.
Why the execute has been given for directory? Directory is not a bin file or something, executable file. But actually what we do, when we are trying to get into the directory, we just say CD directory 1, correct?
Yes.
That CD is nothing but an executing. That is executing a command actually. You are get inside to the directory. So CD is required. CD is actually doing the, if you like to run a CD command, you require execute write permission. That's why all the directories are given for X permission, even for others, owners as well as group. But that is not required for a normal file. There is a text file only. Yeah. DR2 LSL. It's saying DR2 is also got similar D RWX RX RX. No write permission.
So let me change it, this directory, these things, chmod 7 5 is for read, correct, sir?
See, read is actually 4, not 3. The permission for a value is read is 4, write is 2, execute is 1. Now something changed.
Yeah, so I remove the execute. Now I will try to do. Oh, because I am the owner. So
You
I
are
have
the one. You can do that, yes.
Yes. User 2. But this is created inside the user, this thing, correct?
Yeah, that is a problem. You need to get inside the home directory of the user. That's a, we might have to give the rights for that also.
Yes.
No, you can try that. No problem.
I am root now. But root can get in, correct?
Yes. Home user 1.
Home user 1. This is confusing.
LSL. Even though root is another, he can do anything.
Yeah, with root.
That is what the root's permission is. So sky is the limit.
Yeah. I was
Right.
making. So one second. So read is read value is what, sir? Read value is sorry, I am
You can
always
write down.
writing.
Take the
Read,
notepad. I'll tell you.
yeah, I am writing there. Read value is equal to 4.
No, you write it in the notepad here. In the notepad plus. Read equal to 4. Enter. Write equal to. Execute equal 1. So total 7. So if you make it 777, owner group others will have full rights. Entirely keep it open like that.
Correct.
You try this option. Change mode will be the permission changing. Change mode is for files also, directory also, same command. Owner, group, others.
Control S only. Okay. So root. I should do with the root or with the user? Here I did no chmod.
Try it as a normal user. Try it as a normal user.
So 777.
Yeah. You can make 007 also.
Huh?
007 also you can make.
007 is like for others everything, and for owner and group it is 0.
Yeah, that is James Bond permission. Just joking. Means you can modify anything. You can just play around to see that how the permissions are changing and they behaving like that.
So correct. Mm-hmm. 755. Then we can do a recursive change of the permission also, correct?
No. We just need to go around with like this only. Recursive permission in the sense you just need to make the first directory clean. Then you'll have to go inside and do something.
Okay. So now is this color of directory one has become like that? Now it is. Earlier it was green color.
Because complete permission given, no, that's why. Something changed.
Okay. The read value is 4. Write is equal to 2 and execute is 1. So there is directly a command. If I whatever is the permission of the file 1, I want to do it for the file 2. What is the command for that? I need not have to give this numbers and all these things.
No, not like that.
Now I read what is the file 1 permission and accordingly I gave the permission for file 2 also.
Okay.
So if I don't want to read, I can say whatever file 1 permission is there, change it for file 2. Are there some command, I believe?
It means through the command you can copy the permissions of the file to other file. Not aware of.
I'm forgetting, sir. There's something I will check and come back.
Explore.
Uh-oh. So this 4 files inside, I want to change the Can I say like this?
Otherwise, you can do file star. Enter. Now try LSL. But the file name should be same, no?
In this case, file name were there. So
it's like a shortcut you are doing.
If I do star dot star means everything inside. Once again, what is there inside? Dot files.
Oh.
Okay. Next, sir.
So this much you are clear. Change mode, right?
Yes.
And you can do some other commands as well with the permissions on this.
User mode, user add, user delete. This is user 1. Add user. What is the command? User add, group add.
User mode.
Del -R or capital R.
No. FR it is FR. -FR. Forcefully and remove recursive home directory. Everything will be get removed.
Small r or capital R?
All small. User 1.
User 2. So user 1 I have logged in into other things. User 2.
Tail.
Yeah.
Tail mass to
etc.
It's only user 1 is there. 2 is out, gone.
2 is out here also.
So now we will do as the root. We need to do certain activities on the as a root. Okay. Come to the root directory cd/. Enter. What do? We will be making a directory called data inside the root. mkdir space data. Enter. And inside the data, we will create some directories called sales, support, project 1, project 2, project 3. Something like that we'll do. mkdir again, sales. Enter.
Like this. I created one more directory. Do you want me to delete it? Ram sir?
Yeah. That was
Should I
it.
delete the
IT
user?
and sales immediate. Yeah.
Huh?
IT and sales immediate.
Yeah.
Two directories.
Yeah.
And actually, this IT will be like a managers will be the sales managers will be there. Okay. Got it. For them, actually, we just need to give them the rights over that. But now, see, you see that it's a root created and the root is the owner.
Correct.
So if root is created, another people cannot touch it. Means like they may see it, but they cannot own it.
Correct.
They can't do anything. So we just need to change the ownership to some other user. Maybe he will be the manager. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have only one user. Now just create one more user. User 2 also we create and keep it.
Yeah.
Create. User add, user 2. Enter.
-G.
Not required. Not required. We'll do that later. No, not required. We do that later. No, not required. Password is 2. Is a default.
Yes.
So now user 2 is created. User 1 and user 2 both are there. So for example, let's just say that user 1 is a owner of IT and user 1 is user 2 is a owner of sales. Take it like that. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to make the ownership first of all.
Okay.
To the we have to create two groups as well, like group add IT, group add sales. Do that. Group add IT and group add small IT. Yes. Group add sales. Enter. So no one group only can add. You remove that IT. Enter. Then group add sales. Sales. Enter. So tail -2 ETC group, right?
GROUP.
IT and sales is there. So two users are there, two groups are there, two directories are there we have, correct?
Yes.
LSL you do once more. You are inside the data, yes, nice. So now for the IT, the manager will be, IT manager will be like user 1, sales manager will be user 2. Okay.
Yes.
So what we do, we will be making the directory permission also has to be given to them. Means we are changing the ownership of the directory to the user 1 for IT, user 2 for the sales, like that. Ownership changing.
Yeah.
Type change own chown change ownership IT space
Yes.
user 1. Enter. Sorry, user 1 IT. It's ulta. User 1 IT. Enter. Now do LSL. Is it done?
Correct. Now root it has changed from user 2. Sorry, user 1.
So the same way we will have to make the group also like. No, wait. Ownership changed for IT to the user 1.
Yes.
Group also will change it to IT to user 2. Like change group chgrp user 1 IT. LSL. All changed. Group also changed, ownership also changed. This is what root will always do. He will create everything and he will assign it to the peoples and he will leave it. That's all.
Yeah.
Then they will manage that.
Yes.
Root doesn't own anything. He will create and he'll give it like a god. Now do it same thing for sales.
Okay.
Change one. Sales. Enter. Then change group user to sales. That's it. LSL. Perfectly reflecting all.
Yeah. But where is this data? Oh, where I am. Where is data? Yes. Class data. Got it.
Okay, that's nice. Now you can stop the recording. Recording stop.